Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay keeps asking to update shipping contact. Now, for example, right here, we have this issue. What you want to do is just go to your Apple device. If you're using a Mac, just come to the top left and click on this icon. From here, click on System Settings. And then here on the left-hand panel, you'll see all of these options. I want you to go here to Wallet and Apple Pay. Now, in the payment section, you'll notice that they'll ask you to enter a new shipping address, and you need to fill in all your information. First name, last name, street. This one is optional. You need to enter your city, state, zip code. You need to choose your country or region as well. Fill in everything accurately. And then once you are done with all of this, I want you to come here and just click on save. Once you go ahead and do that, this will actually stop from Apple Pay to keep asking you to update your shipping contact because you've added it in this case. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.